5 minutes until service.
Culinary, it's basically this program where you learn everything there is about food, and it's like actual restaurant experience.
The whole point of the program is to give them an industry education so that by the time they go through our entire pathway, they're prepared to get a job in the culinary industry or in the hospitality industry.
There's also the part of being able to like make something from scratch and being able to see and taste the results of what you made.
It is one of my favorite things to see a student make connections with real life skills, and then when they take them to go home and then they come back on a Monday and they say, I made the omelets for my parents, and they love them.
Even if you don't want to like necessarily go into the hospitality industry, the skills that you learn within the culinary program are still good. You still get to learn about what employers want to see in who they want to hire. They want to see like what you're capable of doing within like working with other people.
A lot of it is just that level of confidence. So confidence in the kitchen and not being afraid to make a mistake. You learn from it, and then the next time you do it better.